Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction in Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Morselek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Analysis: what is VVS Finance, the largest project on Crypto.com's Cronos chain? Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. However, the Singapore-based company has been doing much more since it launched Cronos, an EVM-compatible blockchain. Its DeFi ecosystem has grown steadily to $2.3 billion in TVL since it went live in November. VVS Protocol is the largest project on the Cronos chain, taking up 59% of its total TVL as of February 15. It's already the 7th largest DEX by TVL, currently behind Trader Joe, and just ahead of Osmosis. What is VVS Finance? VVS Finance is a DEX that provides the usual DeFi capabilities: swaps, liquidity pools, and staking. It stands for very simple finance, making its UVP clear. The platform aims to simplify DeFi. It does this through gamification and an easy-to-use interface. It also checks many of the boxes Footprint recommends you look at when assessing the health of a crypto project. Substantial initial market cap. VVS Finance's market cap jumped from $20 million to $170 million in the first couple of months since its launch, and has largely reflected the general market trends since then. Reasonable trading volume. VVS Finance's trading volume has mostly remained between 5% and 20% of its market cap. Price action. The price action of the protocol's token VVS is about as volatile as you would expect from a new DEX project and a new chain, but with no suspicious pumps. So why has the first AM on Cronos and a potential contender to be the next SushiSwap or PancakeSwap attracted so much controversy recently? VVS Finance's tokenomics are questionable. VVS's total circulating supply is 2 trillion, and its total supply is over 36 trillion, which will increase to 100 trillion over 10 years through its emission schedule. For comparison, here are the leading DEX tokens' circulating supply figures, rounded to a million. SushiSwap: 127 million Sushi Uniswap. 632 million Unipancakeswap. 268 million Cake Balancer. 7 million BAL is the only major DEX token that is so inflationary. Note that Cake has no hard cap, but has deflationary mechanisms to keep the supply under control. VVS Finance's tokenomics model is an outlier. Next news: EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the PancakeSwap, attracted so much controversy recently. VVS Finance's tokenomics are questionable. VVS's total circulating supply is 2 trillion, and its total supply is over 36 trillion, which will increase to 100 trillion over 10 years through its emission schedule. For comparison, here are the leading DEX tokens' circulating supply figures, rounded to a million. SushiSwap: 127 million Sushi Uniswap. 632 million Unipancakeswap. 268 million Cake Balancer. 7 million BAL is the only major DEX token that is so inflationary. Note that Cake has no hard cap, but has deflationary mechanisms to keep the supply under control. VVS Finance's tokenomics model is an outlier. Here's some reasonable criticism from one self-proclaimed holder, DSX02, on Reddit. I held both VVS and Tonic, but sold both upon looking at the tokenomics. They're really bad. 100 trillion supply of VVS and 500 trillion of Tonic. To put that in perspective, it's 1000x more VVS than there is Doge, and Doge is already a wildly inflated coin. His price suffers tremendously for it, and they plan to emit 50 trillion in 2022 alone. So yeah, I really don't see how it's gonna rise in value at all, unless you just don't believe in inflation at all. But does VVS's incredibly high token supply matter to its long-term potential? Well, 100 trillion is enormous. Other tokens have significantly higher, or even unlimited, supplies, including Ethereum. Previously mentioned Cake has an unlimited total supply. So, the total supply is not the key metric of a project's quality, advantages, or disadvantages. What is important is how they will be distributed, according to which business model. If there is too much supply circulating, but not enough usage, e.g., through staking or burning, it will affect its token price and intrinsic value. If VVS Finance can maintain its top spot in the Chronos ecosystem, and Chronos can continue to increase its activity, the project, being intrinsically tied to the potential of Crypto.com, could be a good investment. What is Footprint Analytics? Footprint Analytics is an all-in-one analysis platform to visualize blockchain data and discover insights. It cleans and integrates on-chain data so users of any experience level can quickly start researching tokens, projects, and protocols. With over 1,000 dashboard templates plus a drag-and-drop interface, anyone can build their own customized charts in minutes. Uncover blockchain data and invest smarter with Footprint. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023. Price prediction for 2024. The current price range of Crypto.com coin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore CRO can reach $1.43